Hello traders. The title of the video is Stock Trading Tips. Trade stocks like a pro. Today we want to analyze United Continental Holdings Incorporated, EPIC UAL, Uniform Alpha Lima, belonging to the industrial sector, airlines. Alright, so what do we see here? Alright, what could you tell somebody who is interested in trading or investing in United Continental Holding Incorporated? What could you tell somebody who want to learn to trade stocks? Alright, so looking at this chart, we know that the price move is determined by market principles. The first principle is that the price will not go up or down for no reason. It's always headed to a specific target level. We know also that there are three market patterns that if the price is rising, it will be in a rising channel. So right now, looking at this chart, we will tell people that it's looking more bullish than bearish. How do we know? That's a very good question. It's just because it is in a rising channel. So if I connect, for instance, this point here and this point here, I have a bullish trend line. Alright? So now I pick up just one point at the top down there, and I draw a line that is parallel to the red trend line, and we can see that the price is in a rising channel. Can you see that red channel on my chart? So we will know now that because if it's in a rising channel, it must display higher lows and higher highs. Are we seeing higher lows and higher highs? So we have a higher high here. Okay, this is a new higher high, and this is a new higher high. So the momentum is increasing. Now you have to understand that the difference between this high and this one, or this one and this one here, is not significant. So we can also tell people that the price is finding a resistance along this blue trend line here. People are selling on the edge of this trend line here. Not only that, after the price was in a rising channel, was going up nicely, now it's in a triangle. Though it's still going up, it's not going up strongly because the differences between the high are not big, telling us that the price is consolidating in a triangle. So the triangle is indicating to us that anything is possible. Alright, so talking about stock trading tips, trade stock like a pro. What can we tell traders now? We say that this stock can go up or down. Anything is possible. Though it's in a rising channel, it can go up and go down because of the triangle that is here. Because the triangle is a warning. It's pointing up a bit. It can crash down or it can go up. Personally, if you look carefully, also we have what we call a round bottom or a V pattern. Price went down and performed 180-degree turn, creating what we call a cycle point. So the pink line that you see there is what we call a cycle point, a line that we draw to, okay, so it start going down here and return to the starting point. That's what we call a cycle point. We draw a line to it. Alright, if we measure the depth of that V pattern in a conservative way, just like this, alright, we don't want to be too aggressive, put it all the way down here, and we project it above the neckline. There is a target here, talking about the market principle. The price is in a target zone, and we have a bearish engulfment right there. Can you see that? One bullish candlestick bar, another bearish one that completely erased the previous game. So there was some bearish activity there. So we are talking about the convergent trading signal. The bullish traders took profit at the target level. Bearish traders joined them and they sold it down. Though they sold it down, the price did not, repeat, it did not go below this low. So though it went down, it's not very bearish as such, but it's now confined in a triangle, meaning that we have, in theory, a balance for equal force between the bearish traders and the bullish one. So that's why we have a triangle. That's why we are saying also anything is possible. Personally, at this stage, because the price is still in that red channel, I will be giving priority to bullish signal, okay, above the high of this candlestick bar. The month of June is not yet closed. So at the end of the month of June, how can you trade this? Suppose this is the 31st of June. I'm using my word carefully. Suppose it's not yet 31st of June today, because today is what? Here it is. Let the computer tell you exactly the date, 19th of June 2019, and the time in London is 21:34. So it's not yet the end of June, but suppose this is the end of June, all right? If we want to trade this after the end of June, which we should wait for, all right, one will draw a line at the high of, try to find a different color now, okay, at the high of that month of June candlestick bar, and one will draw another line. Hold on, please. Get it to move my mouse to where I want it to go. And you draw another line at the low. And a trader that have been following up for years know what I'm about to say now. And also in the middle, the median line. I'm just using this one now. The median line of that candlestick bar at the end of June, not before. So what we will be expecting at the beginning of July, when the month of July candlestick bar is open, preferably we will be expecting it to go down a little bit, to retest the median line, to come down, to pull back a bit, to allow us to enter the trade somewhere near the median line, pull back, retest, and then we switch to the daily chart looking for the signal somewhere near the median line. And then if there is a signal, we'll buy, watching the resistance ahead, and hopefully it will break through it nicely. So all in all, highlight the high, the low, and the median of this candlestick bar. Priority to bullish signal above the high and also above the median line. So if you want to buy near the median line, we will prefer a pullback near the median line. Now if they start running away from above, we'll look for another higher low or bullish chart pattern above the high of the month of June, using what? A different time frame trading method. Alright? So this stock right now is more bullish than bearish because it's still in a rising channel. But it's finding a resistance on the edge of the top of the triangle, and it is possible because of the triangle, it can come down and it can go up. Alright? So if you want to truly sell it, you must sell it either below the median line or below this low here. You see a clear-cut signal, and then you implement a top-down trading method. Some aggressive trader will quickly start selling at the top of the triangle here, as it is now. If you start going up a bit, reach the edge, some aggressive trader will start selling it. If there is a signal to sell, then they can sell. Alright? Otherwise, it's just a speculation because it's more bullish than bearish right now. But anything is possible. Alright? So this is about stock trading tips. Trade stocks like a pro. So for new traders that are very new to our channel, all right, anytime I use the word like a pro, it means that one is day or swing trading using a different time frame trading method. One time frame for the sector, in this case monthly chart. Another time frame for the signal will be the daily chart, and another time frame for the entry, that will be the hourly time frame. If you are not familiar with a top-down trading method, just YouTube search the phrase Mastering Top-Down Trading Method by 24 Stock Trader, digit 2G4 Stock Trader. And you'll see a playlist, alright, that will show you 5 videos from that channel, not another channel, 24 Stock Trader. And slowly but gradually, you want to learn to master the top-down trading method. And when you master it and you start applying it, you can start talking about trading like a pro, market timing, risk control using a different time frame trading method. Have any questions, suggestion, or blah 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 blah, feel free to put in the comment section, and in due course I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. We want to hear from you, your thoughts about this video, okay, the tone of my voice, okay, the sound All right, my beautiful Texas accent. Yes, of course, it's a Texas accent. Don't you understand Texas accent? All right, this to make you laugh a bit. All right. So, was it useful to you? If this video is truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up. That's a big encouragement for us as YouTube creators. We need a bit of encouragement. But if you think that George, I love you very much, but today you haven't done a very good job, I'm not impressed. Be honest with me, mark it down. I'll shake myself up a bit. I'll improve my next recording. That's what I will do, all right? But if you think that I've done a very good job in my life for the first time, all right, you say, George, I've been watching your video for 10 years, but today you have done a very good job. Feel free to share with your friend on Tumblr, Twitter, Facebook, scoop it on the social media. I really appreciate it when traders share a video. I say to those traders, you are amazing beings. Thank you very much for sharing, okay, one of our video, okay? Subscribe to 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. As I said, we are aiming for 1,000 subscribers this year. We must hit that level this year before the end of December with your help. Talk about 24 Stock Trader in trading forum. Invite the best trader out there to come and see what we are doing here. And together, let's build a very educational YouTube channel for those who want to master stock trading, technical analysis, day trading, and swing trading. All right? Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about stock trading tips, trade stocks like a pro. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about stock trading tips, trade stocks like a pro.